Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the favicon on Wix. This is a small but important detail that helps your brand stand out and makes your site easy to recognize in browser tabs. Let's get started. On your Wix editing dashboard, you will see the option to change your favicon. This is your favicon here, usually shown as your logo. To change it, simply click on Site and Mobile App. From there, click on Site Settings. In this section, scroll down until you see the favicon section. To change your favicon, you will need a premium plan. If you do not have one, this option will not be available. But if you do have a premium plan, just click here to change the favicon and then upload your custom favicon image. Once you have your favicon ready, simply upload it and click Save. And that is how we change the favicon on Wix. With this simple update, we can strengthen our branding and give our site a more professional look.